On the Amazon platform, their own brand of a data warehouse is called Amazon Redshift. And theirs is designed specifically to perform OLAP processes or online analytical processes. Remember, we use OLAP when you have structured, unstructured, or semi-data. Okay, so they can use that on complex queries against large data sets. Now, Amazon Redshift is based on Postgres SQL. Postgres SQL is a relational database. And what do we know about relational databases? They work on OLTP processing technique, so online transactional processing technique. But the good side with the Redshift is it incorporates with other business tools, such as QuickSight or Tableau, which can be used for the OLAP processing. With Amazon Redshift being a warehouse, it also supports structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data.